Classroom management is a huge deal. If you're good at it, you will swim. If you're not good at it, you will sink. Now, your school will provide guidelines about behavior, so make sure you understand those and reinforce them with your students. But beyond that, remind yourself every morning that what students bring into the classroom every day can be extremely complicated as what you bring. Some might be depressed, scared, hungry. You are there to help them learn how to behave properly in the face of these issues. You are not there to punish them. Just like you teach them information and skills, you can teach them how to function in a society. Now, behavior, like collaboration or communication, is a skill that can be learned. So create a classroom structure that rewards good behavior, making school more like the real world. Now, you can get at this by using some type of positive behavior support system, or PBS, like a classroom economy, which is what I use, where students are rewarded by way of receiving classroom dollars for positive behaviors and academic successes. PBSs take time to set up and manage, but they are definitely worth the effort. Now, in addition to setting up a behavior system, use movement as much as possible. It's such a simple and powerful concept. Students of any age should not be sitting for more than 15 minutes at a time. Get them up and moving. Switching seats, taking walks, doing yoga, stretching, and dancing can refocus, get the blood flowing, wake students up, and just feel really good. Many behavior issues stem from extreme inactivity and boredom. Students are used to constant task switching and entertainment outside of school, and for many of them, the classroom can seem like a prison where they just kind of sink down into their chair and completely tune out. Movement is a great and healthy way to keep them engaged. Next, consider using mindfulness exercises at the beginning of every class. This will help students be in the moment and think about their day and their decisions. These exercises can help students learn to manage their emotions, which can decrease behavior issues. Finally, use what I call distributive leadership as much as possible. When students are working in groups, assign a group leader who works with you to keep the other students participating and on task. This type of peer-to-peer classroom management can be extremely effective. Now, using a positive behavior support system, movement, mindfulness exercises, and distributive leadership will give students a great opportunity every day to work toward taking responsibility for their own behaviors.